Good day, ma'am. I'm Aaron Seven Jr. and today I will be representing Article 6 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, which is about the right to recognition before the law. So every person must be recognized as a person before the law. Um, every human being deserves uh, to be acknowledged and respected as a legal person. The law should recognize everyone's existence and rights, ensuring fair treatment. Um, Second is no one should be denied legal identity or protection. Everyone must have a legal identity such as a name or citizenship to enjoy their rights. Denying someone protection or a legal recognition removes their dignity, security, and equal human rights. The last one is the law must treat all people equally, regardless of nationality, race, religion, or status. Um, all individuals, regardless of background, should receive equal treatment under the law. No one should face discrimination or unfair judgment based on race, nationality, beliefs, or social and economic status. So there are three purposes of Article 6. First, you have to ensure every human being has legal rights and identity. So the purpose is to make sure every human being has legal rights and identity, allowing them to be recognized by the law and enjoy equal protection and fair treatment everywhere. The second is to make sure governments acknowledge and protect each person's existence. This ensures that governments acknowledge, respect, and protect every person's existence, giving everyone the right to be seen as a legal individual with dignity and equal opportunities in society. The third one is to prevent situations where individuals are treated as if they do not exist legally. It prevents situations where people are ignored or treated as if they don't exist legally, making sure no one is denied identity, recognition, or fairness under the law. Historical violation example. The Holocaust, 1933-1945, under Nazi Germany, millions of Jews, Romani, and others were denied legal recognition. Uh, the Nazi government refused to recognize these groups as equal citizens, treating them as inferior and stripping away their basic human rights. The Nuremberg Laws 1935 stripped Jews of citizenship. These laws legally denied Jew whose German and whose was Jewish, removing Jews from German citizenship and banning them from many public and social rights. They lost rights to own property, marry, vote, or receive legal protection. Jews and other targeted groups could no longer own land or businesses, marry non-Jews, vote, or seek justice in court, completely isolating and oppressing them.
Oliver James. Right. Welcome to my country, my friends.
I have right.
Really? Where do you think you are?
I have right.
I have rights! Only rights you have here.
Not the rights I give you.
Ready? 1, 2. Passi muito.
Como é?
Em base.